Question 1. In the arrow diagram on the right, function f maps set p to set q. So this is the function that maps p to q. And function g maps set q to set r. So function g maps q to r. Determine function f. Okay. So this is the object. It is related by this function to become 3x. So the function of x is 3x. Okay. If this is our object, after the function it became 3 times x, right? So the function is 3 times the object. Okay. B, function gf. Okay. So this one is composite function. Let's analyze this first. So the function that leads this to this, first we need to identify. So if this is x, this becomes f of x. Because this is our object, this is related by function f, so it becomes f of the object. Now, this is related by g. So now, this whole thing is the object. So here would be g of the object. So object is fx lah. So this function is now g of x. So the function g of x is what relates p to r. Okay, that's the composite function. So I'll give you a tip. Whenever you have composite function like this, you must always write g first and then only f. So it will be g fx, not f gx. This is wrong. Okay, it's always like that. So if you have, this is h and this is g, the function that relates this to this will beghx. Okay, not hgx. You must always write the last one first and then only here. Okay, this is because if this is x, this will become hx. Okay, h of x becomes hx. Now g of hx will becomeghx. Right. So they're asking us to find g of x. G of x is simply the function that relates this to this. So it will be 2x minus 7. That's it.